Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about home tabs operation. This is home tab, so let's start. As you can see here is 7 groups under home tab like clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, styles, sales and editing. So we'll start from clipboard group. In clipboard group, first command is cut. So cut is used to remove data from one cell and place it to another cell. Whenever we cut any data or value, it placed on clipboard. After doing cut operation, you can paste it anywhere. So let's see an example of it. In this cell, I have written something. Now I want this data in this cell. So what I will do, first step is to select this by mouse left button and select cut from clipboard. Now go to a destination cell and select paste from clipboard. See, that data removes from this cell and is appeared in this cell. So this is a cut operation. Next operation is copy. So what copy does? Like I want this data here again and here too. So I will just select this and click on copy from clipboard group. Select your destination cell and select paste from clipboard group. See, now this data is present in both cells. So this is a copy command. So you understand how cut and copy command are different. Cut removes data and copy doesn't. Next command is paste. This is paste command. Paste command paste everything, whatever we copy or cut. It pastes value, formula, formatting, etc. And it has many other operations. Let's see some example of it. See, like I want to copy this formula in this cell. So I will just select this. I will click on copy. I will select my destination cell and then I will click on paste. See, formula has been copied. Some formula is here and it is also here. Under paste command, you can see there is many operations. So let's see. This operation is used to just paste all data, all formatting, formula and values. This function is used to paste formula only. This function is used to paste formula and number formatting. It pastes only source formatting. This one used to paste everything except border. This one keeps source column width also. This is used to transpose the values. How does it work? I will let you know. This is used to paste only values. This is used to paste value and number formatting. This one is used to paste value and source formatting. This one copy only formatting. This is used to link this cell like hyperlink. This one is used to copy the cell value in picture format. And this one is used to paste the copied cell as a picture and linked value. So let's see some example of these commands. First, I will show you how transpose works. Like I select these cells and I copied it, and I want this value in columns. So how I will do this? I will just select my destination cell. I will go to paste and I will select transpose. Now you can see before that value was in a single column. Now that value is in a row, in a single row. So this is how transpose works. I have shown you how we copy the formula, but what to do when I want only value? Then just select the cell and copy it. Select your destination cell and select value only. See, this cell has some formula, but it has not. So this is how it works. There's many more commands, but most useful command was transpose and copy and values and formula. Now what if I want to copy the formatting only? Then I want this cell formatting in this cell. Then how can we do that? First, we provided some format, like I have provided yellow background. I have changed this font color. I have made it bold and underline. So I want this formatting on this cell. Then how we will do this? Just select this, click on format painter and select your destination cell. See, only formatting copied, not values or formula or anything else. So this is the operations of clipboard group. If you like my video, then please subscribe and thanks for watching.